25th.
26th.
So today it's 26th of February 2020. So I'm basically at my friend's house, and I think I will be shifting here very soon because the classes are like literally tough. Don't do that. I mean, seriously, for the videos so the classes are like, it is taking its way, and things are quite tougher right now because we are having the assignments, we are doing our carving, our like PCP things, everything is there, and impression taking. So it's very difficult, and the most worst part is we feel very lagged. It's very true. And so we're just having the tea. Let me show you. Hi tea. একটু খা, চাই ডুবিয়ে বিস্কিট খা একটা।
হ্যাঁ আমার কি
ডোবা ডোবা। How is the biscuit? Most probably we are going out for having some food, maybe food, and she has our apron given in a কি বলে
টেইলরিং শপ।
হ্যাঁ, টেইলরিং শপ ও টেইলরিং সেলাই করতে দিয়েছিস? So a tailoring shop, so we have to bring one of her apron is at home, but the another she has given it to a tailoring shop, so we're going to bring that, and maybe we will have something on the way. I don't know, but yes, we will be discussing about our preclinical prosthodontics experience, and it's not good at all. Like, it's sad. It's literally sad. So we are ready. This is my chitka satars. And that's Desha, the queen. Let's go. So this is the worst part because I don't know, nowadays I'm having a problem which is like, oh my god, I'm like a penguin. So nowadays what happens is whenever the vapor comes out and it goes in my eyes, it starts irritating. বাবা আর পারছি না আমি।
ভিডিও করা কি? চল কে যেন ফোন।
চলো
বাবা তো বন্ধ করে দাও।
এটা লাইটটা আছে না? So a lift is there. खोले ना गाना। গান হচ্ছে। দাঁড়া ভেতরটা।
ভিতরওয়ালা।
ভয়ানক হিন্দি।
বুঝলি? বুঝলাম না কি?
Guys, whenever we have started growing up, nobody calls us in wedding. See?
বিয়ে কর না তুই।
What? মানে এটা তুই ভাবলি এটা প্রোডাক্টিভ কথা ছিল, বিয়ে কর না তুই। ফার্স্ট ইয়ারে আমার দ্বারা ল্যাব হচ্ছে না, আমি কার্ভিং পাচ্ছি না, আমি বিয়ে কি করবো?
You can go and enjoy that খুব সুন্দর বিয়ে।
হ্যাঁ, নেচে নি আমরা। আগে তো নেচে নিতাম, যে বাসে যখন হতো না, বাসে যেতাম স্কুলে, হেভি নাচতাম, ভ্যানে যেতাম, পুরো নাচতাম। নাচা যাবে না, লোকজন আছে, বাজে লাগছে। ও মা, if you are interested in getting married, please call us. We will be very obliged to go there. Yeah, you will be grateful. গিয়ে নেচে নেচে চলে আসবো। Okay? So Disha has crossed the dukaan. বললো তোর টেলার আঙ্কেল।
দু সপ্তাহ
কে চিল্লা, লোকটার সামনে এরকম হাই করতে পারতিস। 2 সপ্তাহ হয়ে গেল তা দিল না।
ভেরি ব্যাড,
কি হয়েছে?
সো অফেন্ডেড।
ও বাবা, সিরিয়াসলি মাথা নিজেই মাথা ব্যথা করছে আমার।
এক্সকিউজ মি প্লিজ।
দাওয়া করছে ভাই। এ তুই অ্যাটিটিউড দেখাচ্ছিস কুকুরকে। এক্সকিউজ মি প্লিজ।
মাথা ঠিক নেই, আমার ভালো লাগছে না।
কেঁদে বাচ্চারা তোকে ভয় দেখাচ্ছে, কর ওটা কুকুরকে অ্যাটিটিউড দেখা।
চল আমরা কোথাও ঘুরে আসি।
হ্যাঁ চ, এই ড্রেস পরে আর 20-50 টাকা নিয়ে আমরা ঘুরে আসি।
চল নিউ টাউন যাই।
হ্যাঁ সেটাই বাকি আছে ভাই।
শ্রীনিকেতন আছে।
ওট ওট এখানে ওট, এখান থেকে ক্রস করে আমি। শিওর ছিলি এখানেই দোকান?
হ্যাঁ
এখানেই দোকান, শিওর ছিলি?
হ্যাঁ এখানে আগে
গাড়ি গাড়িতে মেরে দেয়। চল চল চল। Oh my God!
বয়
আসতে ভাই আসতে দাঁড়া।
ফাঁকা ছিল দাঁড়িয়ে।
সরি সরি আমি বুঝতে পারি। সিরিয়াসলি ইডিয়েট বয়।
না হুশ করে এখানে কি ঢোকা গাড়ি।
তাও দিশা তুই বল, তুই কত সুন্দর বুঝতে পারলি পাওভাজি দোকানটা।
আরে ওখানে থাকে, তাহলে নেই আজকে।
বল বল।
বাবা যাওয়ার এক সপ্তাহ আগে অ্যাপ্রনটা দিয়ে গেছে, তো বাবা রাখাবে না বল? তো বলেছে এসে লোকটা মাথা ফাটিয়ে দেবে।
So, my head is spinning as I said because of this wrapper kind of thing that is coming out from the mask. I don't think I will be wanting to have anything oily food. So, I'm heading towards our favorite, recently favorite, no? Recently favorite restaurant.
Yes.
We are going to have cold coffee there. It's a little costly because it's 95 rupees per glass. I'm per glass. मैं किन्होंने सुना लो ना? मौत seriously. So, but it's really yummy. Okay, so yes, we are heading towards that part. আমার মাছটা আবার খুলে গেছে। Look here. Look here. টাটা। কাল দেখা হচ্ছে। আজকে রাত্রের মধ্যে রুলস দিতে হবে ভাবছি।
কিসের রুলস?
ওই যে ক্লাবের রুলস গুলো।
কি ক্লাবের আবার রুলস? প্লিজ আমাকে কেউ বলবি কি করে এক্সিট করতে হয় ক্লাব?
বন্ধ কর ভাই।
ইউ এসে তুই আজকে এসেছিলিস বল? আমি আসতে পারিনি, বোর্ডরুমে মিটিং ছিল বলে। দেখ হিয়ার হিয়ার কেঁপে যাবে। We will bring you as well. Yes, we will bring definitely. রাগের কিছু হয়নি।
লাভ টাকার আমার, সকালে আমি ছিলাম, এখন আমি।
Exactly.
জাস্ট চেঞ্জ হয়ে তুই তোর
তুই
জায়গায়
থাকবি because this is your home, না? It's a place, so
এই আমি তুই পাশাপাশি না দেখ। ওটা এসি না, এসি না।
এই যে
আর কটাগুলো কোথায় গেল? অন্যগুলো দেখো।
ইসির বেশি ইন্টারেস্ট এই ছবিটায়, তার জন্য এটাই পাঠিয়েছে শুধু।
এটা কোথা থেকে পেলো? গ্রুপ থেকে? ও রাইট রাইট, গ্রুপে পাঠিয়েছে।
আমি তো খেয়ে নিয়েছি।
চাটলি
এটা করিস না প্লিজ।
এটা হবে তুই চাটলি ভাই, সিরিয়াসলি চাটলি। চাটলি এটা।
কি করবো আমরা বলতো?
Okay, so we are back, and I literally want to talk about our what? Okay, there is Disha actually. So the thing is, I literally want to talk about the struggles we are having in the struggles we are having in our PCP, that is preclinical prosthodontics, the carving in dental anatomy in PCP. So coming to the point, I will be talking about DA, like not now, but in PCP So I will be asking Disha what she feels, and then I will come to me, because I'm like having some horrible days and nights, and yes, I know how sad it is. I will be sharing my experience till now, and tomorrow we again have the PCP class, the lab 1. It's moving too fast, but I don't know I'm with the pace or not. Anyways, Disha, okay, tell me. So, what do you feel about like PCP, preclinical prosthodontics? What are your experiences and what are your struggles that you are facing?
Actually, still now we had only actually one practical, that's the taking the impression of gentulous edges. So মাঝে মধ্যে impression আসছে, মাঝে মধ্যে আসছে না, so it's like very disturbing.
You have the maxilla, right?
Yeah, I have the maxilla,
but mandibular is not
coming yet.
It's not coming yet.
So yeah, we all are just tensed and kind of depressed, because it's a very important thing for
And most of the batchmates they have done, na?
they have
Many of them has completed
Exactly.
like both the maxilla and the mandible part. And if you ask me, I have done not even a single. Like sometimes it's the crease coming. It was initially the crease part, but then what happened was the whole impression, the parts like the rugae and all those parts are not coming properly. So you have to be completely perfect, otherwise
and basically it takes 2 months to like
2 months.
sir
Yeah.
বলেছে যে
Sir has told me like perfectly you will need 2 months, but still there are a lot of our batchmates who have done already, and it's like brilliant. They have taken like brilliant. I have seen, I'm not taking the name, but she has done like in the first day I was standing here and her impression was like extremely fine, and then it's not only about taking the impression, we also have to cut them with a BP blade, okay, which is also an important task to do. If you cut the whole thing, or there is sometimes breakage, which many of my batchmates have faced. তোদের এরকম কি হয়েছে যাদের ভেঙে গেছে মানে বিপি ব্লেড দিয়ে কাটতে?
এক্স্যাক্টলি আমার হয়েছে অনেক সময়, মানে আমার ম্যান্ডিবলটাও এসেছিল, বাট ওই একই ওই ট্রে থেকে বার করতে গিয়ে ভেঙে গেছে.
So that's the case. And sometimes what happens, people feel like okay, this is not that great, but it is quite perfect, but it is not that great. So what they basically do is they just go to their home and they just break it down, and then when they again go to the lab and they start preparing, it is not the perfect one again, and it's a struggle. Like I literally cried. I am literally sad, and I know I had few evenings where I was like completely like stopped with all my thoughts. I was feeling so low because we have started our class since February, like full-fledged things in our dental part, not the MBBS one, that is the anatomy, physiology, biochemistry. So what I will say is I'm very, very, very depressed about my outcomes, because it's not at all coming. Like it is fine, it is not that bad, but I know it is not at all perfect. So you have to have the perfection. I know it will take a lot of time, but still I don't think that it's even 85%. I think it's like 60 or 50% that is coming.
Yes.
For me it is just 60%, not even like 85%. Like that is the thing. And mandible is horrible. Maxilla, it is still fine. Mandible is horrible. I don't know what it is. It is just horrible for me in my case. তোর mandible টা নিয়ে প্রবলেম না?
হ্যাঁ, ম্যান্ডিবল আমার ফার্স্টে এসেছিল, বাট ওই তোর খুলতে গিয়ে একটু ভেঙে যাওয়াতে আবার করতে হচ্ছে.
That is the point. So
কিছু না কিছু ডিফেক্ট
yeah, so PCP is, for us it is literally depressing. We know that it is in the second year, but we have to have the works done before everything, because from the next week we will be learning the primary cast, and then it's another thing, right? So we still have not taken the impression, we still have not done the cuttings, and yes, there we are. And I'm not making this video to make anyone feel depressed or something. I just want to make others realize, if you are in BDS first year, and as you know it's pandemic and it's still pandemic, not like the past year, but it is, and there is some other waves coming, and it's depressing. The whole thing is depressing, but the one thing I really want to do is, and I really want to say is, I will be working hard towards the dentistry part. And if you are one who is also struggling with these things, please remember there are a whole lot of people who are struggling, and you are not alone. We all are struggling in our own ways, and that's just okay, because that's how we are. We are imperfectly perfect, and that's just fine. Exactly. I love this term, like imperfectly perfect, because nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect, dude. So just keep on trying. I'm trying. I literally cried, and I know what it feels. So if you are one who is feeling that way,
taking impression is just like a struggle for all of us.
Like most of us, there are few people who can do like very quickly. I have seen only one batchmate of mine who has done like brilliantly in the first class only. Okay, so that is what I feel, and please don't feel depressed. It's easy to say and hard to do, but yeah, I will be posting videos, because I will share my struggles, because it's not about always feeling high and always feeling like you are doing the best in your life. It's not my motive at all, because we all are humans and we have our flaws. I have my own struggles. I'm not that great student, but yes, I can at least try to be a good student, a good doctor, a good future doctor. So yes, this is all about it. Desha, do you want to say something?
Yeah, so that's what she said. Don't be depressed. Just do your work hard, and
That's it. So yes, that's it, and I will be sharing more, and I hope that you have the courage. Don't lose hope. Dentistry is not easy at all. No field is easy at all. Don't feel like I'm in dentistry, that's just, oh my god, that's so dumb. I don't feel like that. It's really tough. It's like any job you do, it is really tough to achieve the perfection. It takes a lot of years and lot of hard works, lot of sleepless nights, depressed nights, friends. There will be lots of friendships, there will be lots of heartbreak, but that's how life is, right? And the most important part is, everyone was a mature one day, and the teachers, the professors, we are looking up right now, they have also gone through these things, And yes, I really want to share these parts, because maybe this will help someone, and it really means a lot for me if one person is getting benefit from this channel. And yes, I hope that this video helped a little, maybe. And yes, I will be sharing videos, maybe not all the time, because there are lots of things happening nowadays, and from March we are starting our anatomy physiology class, and so yes, that will be very stressful. Still, I will be doing videos, and I will be trying to post per week, and please support me. Subscribe to my channel. Should I say that? Subscribe to my channel, because it motivates me. And yes, thank you so much for loving, commenting and liking. And yes, this is one of my best friend. One of my best friend is missing. That's Ishita, if she is watching. And she's missing us a lot, because we do it together.
Missing you a lot.
Yeah, we are missing you, Ishi. Missing you. We are missing you, Ishi. We are missing you, Ishi. So yeah, ওদের কথা বললে খারাপ লাগছে actually. So that's one of my best friend, and another is not here, but you will be seeing her as well. So we all will share our struggles, because since this is my channel, this is theirs too. So yes, they will be here, and see you. Bye. Good night, and have a very productive week. Be strong. There will be depressing days. Just be strong. Be yourself, man. Bye.